If you would prefer not to use a Steam collection for whatever reason, you can use a more manual method, which involves getting the URL of each mod and putting those in a text file named Links.txt. It's generated when you first start Conexus, but you can also make it yourself. Just make sure it's in documents/Conexus/links and spelled exactly like that. Uppercase L, lowercase I, N, K, S, .txt. Starting with version 1.4.0, you've got a lot more flexibility in how you can format your links file. The only rules are that the mod name needs to come before the URL it's associated with, must be prefaced with an asterisk, and each URL must be on its own line. Other than that, the rest is up to you. As an aside, if you do include mod names, Conexus will append that to the end of each folder name.